Supine fixation, extremities secured by pinning. Dermal plane divided with tempered lancet, ligature drawn, circulation arrested, viscera ordered, each portion assigned. Cut to clarity, piece by piece, names applied and questions cease, meaning forced from what resists. What was done returns as this, laid beneath an open light, every edge made sharp and right, nothing left that once was missed. Vivisectional method without anesthetic, observation supersedes prior coherence. Humors disturbed, balance undone, articulation rendered to specimen, and some pulled apart to make it known, order claimed in flesh and bone, truth extracted, cleanly pressed. What was done returns as this, every measure, every line turns and marks the same design, nothing whole remains unguessed. Continuity relinquished to method, interior reduced to surface, no intention admissible, only conclusion imposed, division mistaken for knowledge, carved to insert every doubt, mapped until all form runs out, understanding made a test. What was done returns as this, bound and opened, held in place, named and stripped of former grace, nothing left to readdress.